What happens to a person when they overdose on water? Do not overdrink water. What may happen when a person drinks too much water? When you drink too much water, which is called overhydration, you will notice some swelling or discoloration of your feet, hands, and lips. When the cells swell, the skin will also swell. Weak muscles that cramp easily. When the electrolyte levels drop because of drinking too much water, your body balance may go down. Too much fluid consumption can become serious when it causes a dilution of sodium in the blood. This can create a swelling of the brain and lungs as fluid shifts to try to balance out sodium levels. So drink water responsibly by drinking only 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.